Hello and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about beets. Beets are a root vegetable that are round and firm with smooth skin. The Spanish word for beet is betabel. Beets contain a pigment called beta-cyanine, which gives them their deep red color. Because of this, beet juice is widely used as a natural dye in food processing. There are many different types of beets that come in different sizes, colors, and fresh beets can be found year-round. One particular variety of beet, known as sugar beets, contains a naturally occurring sugar called sucrose. Sugar beets provide about 1/3 of the world's table sugar supply. The sugar beet was developed in the 18th century, and in the early 1800s, the French began to extract the sugar. Wild beets are believed to have originated in the Mediterranean and have been cultivated since the 3rd century. The Romans cultivated beets for their roots and used them as feed for their animals. Beets are packed full of fiber, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. A half cup of beets has a great source of folate, manganese, and riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2. A half cup of beet greens is a great source of vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C. The leaves are also a good source of manganese, potassium, and riboflavin. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Vitamin K and manganese are great for helping your blood clot, while folate helps in the formation of your blood cells. Beets are a versatile vegetable. Some varieties, like small beets, are delicious when eaten raw. Other varieties can be peeled and cooked in many different ways. Beets can even be canned and saved for later. Check out the link in our video description to view this delicious beet smoothie recipe. What's your favorite beet recipe? Companion plants are the plants we can plant with each other. The companion plants of beets are onions, cooking greens like kohlrabi, radishes, turnips, and garlic. Growing beets can add minerals to your soil. Their leaves are made up of 25% magnesium, which makes them perfect for composting. Magnesium is an important mineral that can help lower your blood pressure and helps keep your bones strong. Remember, beet has another name in Spanish. The Spanish name for beet is betabel. Thank you for joining us for this spotlight on beets as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy beets this month? See if you can find beets in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.